हाय फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। अभी जस्ट मैं सोकर उठी हूँ और मैंने सोचा चलो, कोई तो देखता नहीं है तुम्हें, पर स्टिल कोई बात नहीं। अपने खुद के लिए तो मैं वीडियो पोस्ट ही कर सकती हूँ, खुद की तसल्ली के लिए। मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ब्लॉग बनाऊँ, बट there's no one who wants to support me, or maybe like they are not getting my videos so that they will view, and after that they follow my channel. It's sad. What to do? Okay, guys, so it's now 7 a.m. in the morning, and normally I wake up at this time. I sleep early, I wake up early. Yeah, so I'm just going to make pasta today. So, come, I'll have a close look. See, this is tomato, and this tomato has to boil. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for it, and I'll show you. You know, from last 3 days it's raining badly. Come, come. Mausam mastana. Oh my god, so windy. Oh, look at this. Can you feel it? You can't feel it, but yes, at least you can see that. Yeah, oh my god. It's so cold. Yesterday it was freezing like anything. Oh my god. You know what? I love raining, but this is happening with last 3 days. I don't like. I'm not liking it. Okay, guys. This is my backyard. So, yeah, this is my backyard. I forget to tell you. Yeah, this is my backyard. So whenever we feel like we have nothing to do, we come here and we come here to cut the grasses. Um, because of the windy weather, it's always like you feel like, oh my god, someone has come from the door. Yeah, so okay, so tell me what you want me to know, or tell me what you want to know. Okay, I will tell you my last day incident. Okay, what happened? So yesterday was my work. Yeah, like normally I used to work from Monday till Friday, but what happened yesterday? I got work, and in Australia, if you are working on Sunday, your pay will be double. Yeah, so if my pay would be double, why I'm not, like, why I will say no for that work? Of course I'll say yes. So after a year, I got shift on Sunday, which was yesterday. And as I told you, yesterday was freezing so much. It was raining very badly. And normally my husband's, whenever I got shift there, my husband used to drop me, pick me. Oh, it's like that. But yesterday what happened? Yesterday there was no bus from my work. There's no bus for station, and I was really worried about how I'm gonna travel, how I'm gonna come to my house, because that place is very far and that has no railway station. Yeah, it's like that. They in Australia, you will get some place which doesn't have station and all. So yeah, so that place doesn't have a station. So yeah, so I was very worried about my yeah, I was worried about myself that how I'm gonna travel from that place to here. Okay, let me tell you. I should tell you that what place is that. That place is Roseland. Yeah. and I'm not gonna disclose my place. Okay, yeah, so that place is Roseland, and from my place to there, it's if I'm traveling from train and bus, it will take 1 hour. Like from my place to there, 1 hour. Yeah. So yeah, I was very worried. So what happened? I was keep asking because there's a colleague of mine, but the scenario is different. They have their house near to that place. So whenever I ask with any girl that, do you know, is there any bus who goes to that station, who goes to any nearby station? Forget about that station where I want to go. Any nearby station. She said, no, I'm sorry, I have no clue because I just live nearby. Then what happened? Then there's one of, not my friend, yeah, there's a one girl who was, like, who is working at the same place, but she's working in different company. So she came and she was waiting for the bus. So I thought, let's talk to her. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong if you are talking with a stranger when you, yeah, like I got stuck, and I had to ask with her. Like there was no one who to whom I can ask. So I got that girl and I asked with her, are you waiting for the bus? And she said, yes, I'm waiting for the bus. Luckily, she has to go far. Like, yeah, they were my situation, but I lived so far, but she was quite far, but not that so far. Yeah. She said, yes, I'm going to my place. But there's no transportation, so I'm just taking the bus, which will drop me nearby to that station. And I'll go there and I'll take train from that station to that station, to my station. You can do as well. Because I have already discussed my problem with her, so she knows very well. So she suggested me that it's better to come with me, and that bus will drop you that station, and from that station you can easily go to your station. I was like, oh my god, thank you so much, thank you so much. So, yes, this was my situation. Yesterday I got stuck, but somehow the girl came and I asked with her, do you live nearby? She said, no, I don't live nearby, I live far. And I have to go that station, and from that station I have to take train, and that. So I was like, oh my god, it's quite my situation. Not that relative, but yes, somewhere it was relatives. Yeah, like we should never get hopeless. Yes. So, yes, like whenever you get stuck, God will always help you. He's gonna send you a guy, he's gonna send you a bus, he's gonna send you anything. Whatever comes to you, just think that whatever happened, it happened for a reason. I had to come to my place and I had no clue that how I'm gonna travel from that place to here. So they sent that girl who whose situation was not like me, but yes, somewhere it was relate. Yeah, like her station was no, she lived far away from that place, but not far away like me. I was so far, and she was like this far. So yes, for this far she has to travel from bus and the train. Yeah, yeah. Yesterday I just experiment my bread. So see this bread, it didn't get spoiled. It's as usual than yesterday. Okay, guys, I'll sing a song and I'll stop my video. Hopefully I'll get views. Okay. Song. Let's go there and I'll sing a song. Tomato, you get cool. I'm waiting for you. Okay. आपके सजन सावन में आग लगेगी बदन में, घटा बरसेगी नजर तरसेगी, सजन मिल न सकेंगे दो मन एक ही आंगन में। आपके सजन सावन में ला 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 ला। इतने बड़े घर में नहीं एक भी झरोखा, कैसे सॉरी मैं गाना ही भूल गई। I forget the lyrics. Okay, am I know any song? कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कि बीत न जाए रहना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। Okay guys, come on, कुछ तो कहो. I'm just making my videos but I'm not getting any response from you guys. Come on yaar. Do comments, do follow my channel. Okay, do comments as well for the bad. Like I'm ready for the bad comments, that if I bored you, I'm really sorry. But next time I'll promise, if you give me your support, I'll make sure that I don't get bored you. Okay? Yeah, I will not bore you, don't worry. Okay guys, let's have a close look that my tomato has ready or not. Yeah, it seems like it's ready. See? It's boiling. And ta-da! I'm ready. Come on, get me out. Take me out. Take me out. And I'm gonna make tea. And milk is here. My husband is sleeping and I need to make tea. This is not fair, is it? Okay guys, bye. दुआओं में याद रखना अगर किसी ने देखा हो तो. Okay, see you guys. I will wait for your response.